News 46. Local coverage you can count on.
Save a Pet is generously brought to you by Auto World at 727-8000 and Greenspan Brokerage at 751-6200. Put the green team to work for you.
Hi, I'm Eileen. I'm here at West Star Ranch Animal Rescue, and with me today I've got Charlie. As you can see, Charlie's a Shih Tzu mix. He's 4 years old. He's ready to be adopted to a family. He came from a family, so he's used to children. He's very lively, very lovable, as you can see. Please come and see him at West Star Ranch. We're at 780 East Mance, and our phone number is 727-9273.
Sponsor Save a Pet. Give us a call at 727-9400. To adopt, donate, or contact West Star Ranch, call 727-9273.